Well, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. The old Honda ST here. I bought this bike a couple years ago. The battery that's in it now is what came with it. And on my last ride, it was definitely tired. I think one time we had to pop start it. So I went ahead and bought a new battery. And I always use this brand battery. I think it's pronounced UASA or something like that. But that's the model number. That's for this battery, and it's a sealed unit. They are a little bit more expensive, but I've always used it on my other bikes, and they last way longer than any of the store-bought brands that you typically find at Walmart or your local parts store. So I'll go ahead and show you how to replace the battery on this. It's fairly easy. I'm not going to show you how to remove the side cases or the seat. You know, if you own this bike, that's probably all information you have anyways. So I'll go ahead and start removing the side panel, and we'll take it from there. So to do this project, you just need a couple things, pretty easy. Obviously the battery, a number 2 Phillips, and a 5mm Allen key. I happen to have a socket, so that's a little bit easier, but that's all you need. So to remove the side cover, there's a couple Allen bolts here. There's actually 3, and they all use a 5mm Allen. Okay, at this point, it just pops right off. And what I do, I usually just put the bolts back to where they go. That way there's no confusion of if you got it right or not. Put that to the side. Okay, now with the cover off, we have the battery tray exposed, and this cover here just pops in and out, but what you need to do first is pop this fuse block out. Okay, that just kind of goes to the side, and then if you go up top here, right here, you just push down, and that releases the clip there, and then you can pull the tray out, then down, and it releases the 2 clips on the bottom. Okay. So now we have a Phillips screw up top, and that will remove the battery retaining strap here. Okay. That should pull right out, and that releases the clip on the bottom as well. Okay, now at this point we just got to take off the ground and positive. Do the ground first, and then we'll move this cover for the positive. Okay, then we'll just move the cables out of the way. And at that point, the battery is free to come out. So looking at the battery, we'll see if we can find how old it is. February 2019. So it's not quite that old. I usually get around 6-7 years out of the USA or Wayusa batteries here. And this one's been charged. I put it on a trickle charger a couple days ago. So we should be in good shape. So I just slid the battery back in. Put the positive on first. So I got quite a few accessories on this bike, which is why you see extra leads. I have cruise control, heated grips, a battery or a speedo healer, so yours might not have all that. Okay, that's tight. I'm going to go ahead and just make sure that it wants to start. Yeah. Okay, well, that sounds good. So we'll go ahead and put the parts back on. All right, so we'll put our little bracket back on to hold the battery in. I run my wires on top. Okay. Okay, that's good. Okay, now we gotta put our cover back on. You put the clips on the bottom first. Gotta clear the positive. Okay, then it clips in. Okay, then you put your fuse block back on. Okay, that's happy. Now we gotta put our cover back on, and you wanna slide the back part in first to line it up. Okay. And make sure you put the bolts back how they came out. All right, well that concludes the battery install. We're ready to put our seat back on and the side panels and take it for a ride.